Hello everyone. Still we are discussing about systems of data. Under systems of data, another important category is language translators. So today I'm going to do a lecture on language translators. Language translators. Language translators can be language translators can be divided into mainly three components: assemblers, compilers, and interpreters. So today discussion will go through these three components and what's a language translator. So what's a uh, language translator, or initially what's a translator? You may see, you may have used some sort of translator like Google Translate. So what it performs is it uh, takes some language, it might be English text, and you translate into some another language to Sinhala language. Or you might take Japanese text and you might translate into English, whatever. There are two languages are involving. So this translator is performing this translation process from one language to another language. Right? In the same way, you may see there's a Japanese person is speaking here, and there's a person who is speaking in Sinhala. So now these two people needs to discuss something, some important factor, or some sort of discussion should be communication should happen. This person speaking in Japanese, so this person can't understand it, and this person is speaking in Sinhala, so this person can't understand it. So the solution is we have to hire a translator who can understand both Japanese and Sinhala. So this translator would understand Japanese as well as Sinhala language. So this is interesting, right? So what this person can do, this person can understand whatever this person is speaking here, and whatever the things that this person speaking here. So Japanese person can express his ideas to this translator, and translator can communicate via the after translate language. This is Japanese language. It transfers into Sinhala and communicate to this person. Then this person can communicate in the other way around, speak in Sinhala, and this translator would understand what's the context or what's the idea and translate the same text to Japanese person. So this is the translation process. Like two languages are involving. This translator is having high possibility or very good understanding about both languages. Now you are clear what's the translator's job. And the same way, this is a machine, this is a human language or natural language. This is a source code, this is a program, this is a software piece. It's a starting component of a software piece which is known as a program code. This is small software, this is small program code. You may see it's a Java code written in Java language, but it's in English. This is English class customer private string, so you can understand this is natural language. This is a natural language. Natural language means a language that humans are using. So it was written in English language in this case. So what we required is we required a translator to make sure to this computer to understand or machine language. This computer would not understand this language. So we need to translate using a translator. We need to translate to one zeros. As a human, you may not understand what is this human. This is one zeros. There are set of ones and zeros, but computer would understand what is this ones and zeros. Computer would not understand this English text. So there should be a translator in between these two entities, right? So this is a translator. Computer operating systems, under computer operating systems, we can find a translator for convert a program code into a machine code. That is the job